The jeans are finished and you're going to see me being very smug with my make here. So if you want to see how I got to these, then carry on watching. We're going to do stage 2 of my couture jeans sew along. So let's get stitching. This is where I got up to yesterday making the hussard jeans. I got all the front finished. So let's get these amazing jeans finished together today. Come on. Let's just have a little bit of a recap of the hussard jeans that we're making together. I've done all of the front, so we've got the pleats in the top, we've got the slant pockets with some cute embroidery on the front. We've got the zip fly put in and we've joined the 4 front sections together. So that's the front all finished. If you want to see how I got on getting to this stage, then pop back to yesterday's vlog where we start at the beginning. But today we're carrying on and we're going to start with the backs. And the first thing that we need to do is the back pockets. So you'll remember, if you watched yesterday, I've got some roses embroidered on my bum cheeks. So we're going to now do the fold overs, press the pockets and do the top stitching and then attach them to the backs. Okay, so I've got the back pockets on, all top stitched. Not perfect, but you know, I'm on a flying horse, won't notice. And if anybody notices my top stitching on my back pockets isn't perfect, that's very rude. They shouldn't be that close to my backside, should they? So we've got the back pockets done. Pleased with it so far. And then the next thing that I want to do, because the pattern then tells you to start sewing the crotch seam, blah de blah de blah, and your zip. I've already done that. Yes. So the next thing that I want to do is join the back crotch seam separately, and then we've to put the back yokes on. And that's where I came up against a bit of a stumbling block, because I hadn't cut the back yokes out and I can't find the pattern piece anywhere. So I've had a bit of a mare, but I've managed to use my noggin and draft a new yoke piece. Fingers crossed it works. I've already got 2 pairs of these jeans, so I grabbed a pair of the jeans, looked at the yoke piece, turned them inside out, traced around it, added the seam allowance. Bob's your uncle. So I'm going to put the yokes on. Calm down, Christine. Get the yokes put on, and then they have to be top stitched all the way along that curve. So a little bit of careful stitching, because I don't want to get this top stitching wrong as well as the back pockets, do I? So I've got my backs all sewn together now, and the back yokes are on. So I've got my backs finished and my fronts finished. What I'm going to do now, because I want to get a good fit with these jeans, is I'm just going to base the outside seams and base the inside seams where I think the seams should be, and then try them on before I commit to those seams and get the waistband on and get these babies finished. Fingers crossed I've got the fit right. Okay, first try on. There's no waistband on yet. I'm pleased with the fit around the top and around the old trunk. There's a little bit too much room here, I think, after my hips, so I'm going to mark it with a pin and then I know where to taper it in from. Apart from that, obviously it's gaping at the back, but I haven't got the waistband on yet and that'll bring that in. But overall, I'm pretty chuffed with how they've come out. So I'll crack on and get them finished for you. As you saw at the beginning, the jeans are finished. I absolutely love them to bits. They are a high waist jean. I've just not put a button on because I can't decide whether I want to put a jeans button on, which I haven't got and would have to purchase, or whether I'm just going to put a fancy normal button on. But hey, I'll have a think about that one. But the fit's great. I'm loving them. Loving my pockets, and I've even put a frayed edge on the bottom. You'll see it probably here. So yes, another pair of hussards. Now you hopefully can see why these for me are my favourite jeans pattern. They are a really good fit for me. My favourite comfy but chic couture style jeans. Bye, see you tomorrow.